Hi guys, good afternoon. Dito po tayo sa channel ni Nodes Mods Sumalib Channel. Andito po tayo sa Garden Bay. Ayan, resort and restaurant. Ayan. Dinala po kami dito ni Jomar to see the ambience of this kind of resort. It is little bit remote, you know, but they said it's okay here. May mga ano rin sila, may mga souvenirs items. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda po, ha? Hindi pa po magulo kasi I think we came early. Ayan, may mga souvenir items sila. Wow! So we will see. I think it is very timely that we are here. Medyo okay po ang ano dahil wala pa pong tao. Ayan. So it looks like we own the place. I'm with Bibing, Jovi, and Jomar. Now I know the reason why they call it the Garden Bay. Kasi nga malapit po sila dito sa bay, ano? Ayan po doon, may mga tanker po na dumadaan. And it looks like a small port, you know. So it's nice. Ito po yan. Nice ambience. Good, huh? Wow!
Oh my God!
Woo!
Ayan po. So ito na po ang aming table and they are just selecting the food that they want to eat. Actually we have not taken our lunch and it's already I think 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And here is our boss Jomar. Ayan. Puro plate pa lang pala.
Isang rice na ba kayo?
Ayan, ganyan. Maganda rin ang arrangement nila sa in this restaurant.
5 ka rice. Drinks na ba? Drinks.
Ano ba? Ganyan talaga. Aling. Dapat masaya.
Tatay, parang gusto mo na ng baby.
Doon pa siguro sa kabila yun. Nagdungka tayo galing sa mall. Ayan. Okay. Bye. This is Nodes Mods. We are now in the Garden Bay and we are going to enjoy our lunch, late lunch. It was the plan of Jomar to take our lunch in this place. Okay. And here's the model of Swarovski. With all those bracelets coming from Simala.
Ganyan picture lang.
So that is, guys, it looks like we are in the right place and we are waiting for our order, and it's time to say goodbye and face out. See you next time in my video. Masalama. Bye bye.